And talking about gold, let's go to Bloomberg's Jesse Riseborough for more on commodities. He joins us from Melbourne. Jesse, what's the outlook for Australian gold production after the latest quarterly gold stats?
Good morning, Haslinda. Yes, the latest quarterly gold stats from Australia show that production was up 3% in the quarter to 54 metric tonnes. And the outlook from here is very positive. We've got the Boddington gold mine about to come online. Here it's a $3 billion operation owned by Newmont. That's going to produce 1 million ounces a year. Now it's likely that Australia will surpass the US as the world's second largest gold producer. And as you mentioned, the gold futures passing $1,000 an ounce just a matter of half an hour ago, I'm sure will help spark further interest in the gold sector in Australia and may see some older mines start to reopen.
Hey, taking a look at the M&A space, mining M&A has been pretty stagnant for the past 6 to 12 months, though we have seen some large deals being completed so far this quarter. Are we at the start of a new cycle of M&A in this particular sector?
That's right, yeah. We looked at some data yesterday in a story we wrote about M&A deals in this current quarter. We're now up to $19 billion of M&A deals in the mining space compared with $16 billion in the last quarter. So with a month to go, we've already passed that. So clearly the outlook is improving. Metal prices are higher. A lot of players are much more confident in the outlook for demand. So we're seeing the deal flow start to pick up. We've seen 2 big deals in Australia with Yanjiao Coal from China offering to buy Felix Resources, and also Sino Gold, which operates mines in China, gold producer, making a friendly merger with El Dorado. And we've also seen a couple of small deals just announced today as well. So clearly the deal flow is picking up. The outlook is much more positive, and we're likely to see consolidation as a major theme for the remainder of the year.
In terms of the size of such M&A deals, I mean, is there an indication of how big they're likely to be compared to previous ones?
That's right. Well, one of the things that may be hampering the M&A flow is the debt market. We're hearing a lot of talk that the debt market still hasn't recovered to levels pre the Lehman crisis last year. So that may prevent some of the major deals from being done. Of course, we've still got Xstrata and Anglo American. There's talk of a tie-up in the UK on that one, so that hasn't been resolved yet. But in terms of the mega deals, the outlook is uncertain. There may still be a few of those to come.
Jesse Riseborough, thank you so much for being with us today.